I thought it would be interesting and inspirational to maybe do a video on how I paid off my mortgage.
Yeah.
But I didn't go into lots of details, and there was a lot of questions about it, and your name was brought up a lot. Yeah, there was actually someone who did like a reaction video and was like, I don't think she paid off her mortgage. I think something or the other. I watched Samuel Leeds and he talks about this kind of stuff. So
here we are now.
And actually, I think that is how I found out about you, or maybe I'd seen your videos before then. But yes, I'm into saving money, being good with money, and then into property as well.
Your whole brand and style is, people know that you're you're a businesswoman. You're not you're a businesswoman, and you're smart and you're good with money. So, you know, what was the reaction to that video generally? Was it very positive?
It was very, very positive. There was an element of confusion and people also not entirely understanding how it's possible. And I used to see comments of people saying, well, that's because you're a YouTuber, only you can do that. Yeah. And that was one of the things that would bug me, because I would respond to comments and say, no, not only me does this. I come from an immigrant background, my mum's a hustler, and she's done it. So it's not just because I was a YouTuber I was able to pay off a property. It's just because I made a lot of money doing that.
Your mum's doing really well though.
Yeah, she's kind of slowing down now, selling a lot of stuff and just trying to live her best life and cruise.
I think you said in your video, she came into the UK as an immigrant, and now she has 10 houses in the UK.
Yes, exactly.
Which is, it just shows that you can start with nothing, but if you're prepared to hustle, you're prepared to work hard, and anything really is possible.
Exactly, and if you're smart about moves that you make, then you're able to learn about how this stuff works. And actually, I started quite early. So my mum, I think she went onto a property course, or she met someone who was into it, who told her to buy a house. She had a council property and she bought it for 17,000 and then sold it for 250,000 and then used that money to buy other houses. And so I was with her during that whole journey. So I watched her when I was like 15 kind of go from zero to like, to all of this. So I knew it was very possible. And then I used to manage her properties in Manchester when I was at uni. So she had 4 properties and I would be writing contracts and going to see tenants and all this kind of stuff. So I was obviously having fun at uni, but I was also doing this as well. So I was very familiar with the process and knew that it was possible.
Yeah, for sure. And you're not just, it wasn't just that one house, you've gone on to buy more houses and now you're a property investor. Patricia, the property investor.
Yeah, kind of. I haven't shared much about that, and I'm very new to, I wouldn't say new to doing it myself, but I don't know all the details of doing it. I'm sure you're like the expert. I've seen you doing this, like the houses of multiple occupancy and these other technical stuff that I'm like, I don't even know what this means.
But you said to me just before we started the interview off camera.
The best advice I could give right now to anybody would be to spend 24 minutes watching the exclusive interview with Patricia Bright. It's one of the most inspiring interviews you'll ever watch. Patricia's amazing. Check it out. Watch the full video in the link.